During these unprecedented times, it is more important than ever that we use our voice, our tone, and our vocal presence to engage our listeners on the virtual platform. With engagement comes increased business, increased clients. My name is Jane Latz, and I founded Corporate Speech Solutions in order to work with organizations and individuals to build clarity, confidence, and credibility. Your voice is the key to your success. I use my background as a certified and licensed speech-language pathologist to design programs that are transformational. Do you want to wow your audiences with your video? It is said that everything we say when we leave our house in the morning is public speaking. It is my job to help you to always sound like the expert you are. Again, my name is Jane Latz, founder of Corporate Speech Solutions, where we help you say it better.